Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. So my next project that I'm going to be getting on with, and I'm going to do some process videos, is my design team project for Artymaze. And she very kindly gifted me the kit called Time to Cook, which is about vintage cookery and, you know, food, ephemera and things like that. So here's some of the pages that I've printed out. I'll probably cut this down into journaling cards, and there's another one which is a collage sheet. These are ephemera sheets. Okay, another ephemera sheet. Okay, I'll just show you a few of them. Another one, and these are some of the pages that I've printed and already trimmed. Mine always prints with a very small border, so I've already trimmed those. I may well put them back through and print coffee dyed on the back side, but I'm not sure yet because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. So there's another page which is like collage. Another one which is like, that's a menus, winter, autumn and winter menu. That's another collage one. Another one of those, and then that's another one that she's created with, that says about shredded wheat. We've got some flowers and things like that. So some I have printed and cut out. So we've got these that I can use for journaling. We've got mason jars. We've got tags. It's a brilliant kit. And there's an add-on kit as well, with lots and lots of tags and envelopes and tickets and banners, and I've cut all sorts out. I think I cut all of these out. I can't remember if it was just before my birthday. I think it was just before my birthday, so back end of July. So what I'm going to do, I was gifted a load of Graphic 45 stuff a while back from one of my friends called Manda, and I've got this Home Sweet Home. Now this is more 50s style and this is vintage, but I'm sure there's bits and bobs in this that I'll be able to use, so I'm hoping to use some of this up as well. And I'm going to be doing it in the format, not like a standard, but you know, your normal journal. I've been having a look on YouTube when I wasn't well. I was watching YouTube a lot, and I came across lap books. Never really paid interest to them before, and saw a couple of people make some really lovely lap books, so I'm going to do a cooking theme lap book. Alright, so that is, I'll leave a link in the description box below to Andrea's Etsy shop, and then as I go I'm going to do a tutorial on how I create my lap book and how I fill it. Okay, so keep watching, make sure you click like and subscribe, and I will be doing some tutorials. I'm going to be doing some handmade ephemera as well. As I say, I did quite a lot of watching and getting loads of great ideas whilst I was incapacitated, and so I'm raring to go now. Lots of brilliant ideas, and I'm going to share them with you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.